Phrasal verbs with meaning and examples. Break down. Break down means to stop working or to become emotional. Give up. Give up means to stop trying or quit. Look after. Look after means to take care of. Run out of. Run out of means to have no more of something. Turn on. Turn on means to switch on a device. Turn off. Turn off means to switch off. Pick up. Pick up means to lift or collect something or someone. Look for. Look for means to search something. Wake up. Wake up means to stop sleeping. Call off. Call off means to cancel something. Bring up. Bring up means to mention a topic or raise a child. Carry on. Carry on means to continue doing something. Come across. Come across means to find something by chance. Find out. Find out means to discover or learn something. Get along. Get along means to have a good relationship. Give in. Give in means to stop resisting or to surrender. Go on. Go on means to continue or happen. Hold on. Hold on means to wait or keep holding. Look forward to. Look forward to means to feel excited about something coming. Set up. Set up means to start something like business or event. Take off. Take off means to remove clothes or to rise airplane. Put off. Put off means to postpone, delay. Come up with. Come up with means to think of an idea. Back out. Back out means to withdraw from a commitment. Call back. Call back means to return a phone call. Fill in. Fill in means to complete a form or temporarily replace someone. Go through. Go through means to examine or experience something. Break into. Break into means to enter by force. Turn up. Turn up means to arrive or appear. Pass away. Pass away means to die. Break up. Break up means to end a relationship or divide into parts. Bring out. Bring out means to publish or release. Give away. Give away means to donate or reveal. Drop out. Drop out means to leave school or college early. Check in. Check in means to register at a hotel or airport. Check out. Check out means to leave a hotel or look at something. Look out. Look out means to be careful. Get over. Get over means to recover from illness or sadness. Go out. Go out means to leave the house for fun or social reasons. Bring about. Bring about means to cause something to happen. Cut down. Cut down means to reduce something. Fall apart. Fall apart means to break into pieces or become emotionally upset. Hold up. Hold up means to delay or rob. Keep on. Keep on means to continue doing something. Look into. Look into means to investigate or examine. Make out. Make out means to understand or recognize. Put up with. Put up with means to tolerate or accept something unpleasant. Set off. Set off means to start a journey. Take over. Take over means to take control or responsibility. Break out. Break out means to suddenly begin a war, fire or disease, etc.